This is the video for lesson 13.2. It is called area of triangles. So let's talk about how to find the area of a triangle. Basically, a triangle is half of a parallelogram. So the area of a triangle is half the area of a parallelogram. So if you remember, the area of a parallelogram is base times height. So for the area of a triangle, you're going to take half of the base times height. So you can basically do 1/2 times the base times the height, or you can do the area of a triangle equals base times height divided by 2. Either way is fine because multiplying by 1/2 and dividing by 2 are the same thing. So you can take 1/2 times base times height, or you can do base times height divided by 2. Those are the same thing, and that is what will give you the area of a triangle, okay? Because a triangle is half of a parallelogram. So let's do some practice. We're just going to do 2 practice problems, and then that will be the end of these notes. In this triangle, right, we know that the area is going to be the base times the height divided by 2. And we just have to find the base and the height. The base of this one is 20. The height is 8. Remember, the height is always perpendicular to the base, meaning it makes a 90-degree angle. And then we divide by 2. So if we do this multiplication, 20 times 8 is 160 divided by 2. 20 times 8 is 160. 160 divided by 2 is 2 goes into is basically 80, okay? So this area is 80 meters squared, right? So area is always the meters to the second power. M times M is M squared, okay? So let's do this one. We're gonna do this time, we're gonna do area equals 1/2 BH. So we're gonna do area equals 1/2 times 5 times 12. And we can multiply these in any order, right? So we can do area equals 1/2 times 5 times 12 is 60. So if you want to do 1/2, this is basically 1/2 of 60. The area is 30. So it's going to be 30 inches squared. All right, and that is how you find the area of a triangle. So basically this lesson 13.2 is all about different shapes of triangles. This one's a right triangle, so the side itself is the height because it makes a 90-degree angle with the base. This one is not a right triangle, so you have to use the height and not one of the sides. But you'll have different types of triangles, and you'll find the area of all the triangles. 13.2.